I'll do a quick review on Andy's seasoning fish breading, yellow fish breading. So you can bake and boil, or fry, 10 ounce per bag. I got this at, Save A Lot, today. I had some catfish on hand, so fry them up for dinner tonight. And decided to buy this, try it out. I think I paid $7.79 for it. I'm not 100% sure. I bought it, like I said, I bought it today at Save A Lot. Alright, I'm back. One of the cats must be outside the door playing. And sushi. Oops, I split some up. So you can bake it. Use it to bake, boil, broil, or fry. And you definitely gonna need to use seasoning with this. This really don't have any seasoning to it. But whatever fish it's with seafood. And hang on a minute. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I'm not sure where I left off on this. It's fish breading. Yeah, it's cornmeal for fish and shrimp. If you use it, you're definitely going to use some seasoning with it. To keep your fish and shrimp from being bland. Get 10 ounces per bag. Okay, 32 servings per container, 30 calories per serving. You just read it. Okay, 270 milligrams sodium, 6 grams total carbohydrates. Okay, less than 1 gram protein and 14 milligrams of potassium. I mean, that ain't too bad. It ain't that bad. This is like cornmeal basically that you normally use for cooking and frying fish. You definitely gonna need to add some seasonings to it when you're doing your frying. This is the Andy seasoning yellow fish breading. You use for to bake, broil, or fried fish and shrimp.